everybody. Chiming in here for the first time on YouTube and starting small. This video isn't particularly important beyond giving a rundown of this little creation of mine. So I'll get right to the point. This is a Stryfe Flared Magwell that I designed a while ago. It is a friction fit and it is fairly easily removable without any tools. It does this with these little knobs located which interface with this section of the Stryfe Flared Magwell. This is something other designs such as DJ's 3D Magwell and other designs do utilize, however this is original work of mine as well. For those of you who don't know, a flared magwell makes it easier to guide a magazine into position so you don't end up fumbling reloads like so. This design does feature a section that wraps around the front of the magwell, so this is more or less an ergonomic feature, and since I like gripping a Stryfe like so, I prefer this the most. Admittedly, there are other designs which make it possible to grip a Stryfe like so without making it feel uncomfortable, but this was designed to fit my preferences first and be optimized to do so. It is open source and licensed under public domain. However, if you do prefer a more conventional design, there is in fact a remix of this already posted on Thingiverse by a gentleman named 44 Sunsets on Thingiverse. Now that that's out of the way, here's a demonstration. Used in this demonstration runs on two 2S180s that are generic carbon brushes off Taobao, a pair of worker wheels, all in a 43mm center distance open flywheel project cage. Alright, full disclosure here, this is an incredibly janky recording setup. If you have any suggestions for improving this arrangement here, then I'd like to hear them, and any suggestions on future videos I can do.